friends, this is Miss Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete learning course on Wilcom software is continue, and in this video you will learn about a tool select by. In this video we will learn that what is the purpose of this tool, and in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhole.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So now open Wilcom software. For example, I have some designs. I open one of the design. Now click here on edit button, and in drop down menu you can see that there is a button with the name of select by. We can select the separate parts. We can select the separate parts of the design by using this tool. For example, if I have to select all the objects which is made by red color, in this design there are only two color, blue and red. For example, I have to select all the parts of the design which is made by red color, so I will click on this button, edit. In drop down menu, we will choose select by, and now I will click on the color button. So now you can see that all two colors are showing here. For example, I have to select all the parts of the design which is made with red color, so I will click on red and then click on OK. You can see that all the parts of the design which is made with red color has selected. So in this way we can select all the separate parts of the design. For example, I change its color with yellow or with yellow and compact plane. So now you can see that there are only three colors. So now for example, I have to select all the objects which is made with red color. So in this way we can select. Now I can change its color of all the objects which is made with red color. For example, I can give them first we have to ungroup them. All these objects are grouped, so we have to ungroup them. Always remember one thing, that if you are select object which is grouped with any other object, if you will select any type of object which is grouped with any other object, so all the new settings which you will apply on the object which is grouped with other objects, so its settings will also be applied on all other the objects which is grouped with it. So remember it that we have to ungroup all the objects first, then we will apply any type of new settings. Okay, for example, now all these objects has ungrouped, so now I will do that. Select the red color, and now I will change its color. So you can see that only the objects which was made with red color are changing. So in this way we can easily do that. Now I will select the yellow color and I will change its color. So in this way we can select separate parts of the design which is made with same color or the same stitches, and we can do anything after taking their selection. For example, I select this color and I want to change its stitches. So you can see that it has came in satin, in tatami, in zigzag, in stitch value. So the meaning is that we can do anything. So it's a way of taking the selection. For example, in next design like this. For example, now I have to change the blue color, but you can see that all the design is grouped. So I cannot uh, change the blue color into any other color. In this design there are only three colors. So if because all the design is in group position, so if I will select the blue color and I will try to change, you can see that all the designs color will be changed. So you can see that. So first of all, we have to ungroup all the objects which we are selecting. Then we can apply any type of new changing on them. For example, I will change the green color into any other color. All these objects are in a group position. We have to ungroup all the objects, every single object. Now all the objects has ungrouped. So now I will select the green color. Now I can change them. So you can see that. But these parts also now in group position. So you can see that in this way we can take a selection of separate objects by the color or by the stitch type. So now we will make a selection with stitch type. For example, click on the edit button and in drop down menu select the select by, and now in on stitch type. So there are certain tatami run and back stitch are using in this design. For example, I am choosing the satin. Now click. You can see that the objects which is made with satin mostly are in grouped. So if I will change their color, so all the objects which are grouped with other objects are also changed like this. So must remember that we have to ungroup all the objects, every object, before to apply any type of new changing. So by using this tool we can select any type of we can select all the objects by with same color or by with the same stitches. Our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video. So for all type of new updates you can visit our website and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also like our Facebook page. So in the next video inshallah we will meet again. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.